The 2008 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, bed liner, fog lamps, MP3 capability, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.